Hey folks, we just arrived in Saluda, North Carolina. And as you can see, the railroad track is no more. Now this was known for its high grade. And yeah, they even had a runaway track for the trains in case they ran away, and that's how they got the runaway for interstate highways now. But it started right there. You know, I'm gonna walk on the other side. I'll walk up this way. Pretty neat train here. Yeah, I think I'll walk up this way till I get to town a little better. There's one place you can walk on the track. We're gonna make this into a walking trail someday. They're working on it already. I came down here to see a bridge. I can't find a bridge anymore. There used to be a bridge that there's a police department there and the city hall. Used to be a bridge up here across the river. I think I took one of my first pictures ever back in 1955 of my dad's 1949 DeSoto limousine. So here's the sign that talks about the grade here. The steepest standard gauge mainline railway grade in the U.S. Opened in 1878, 3 miles long, crest here. And yeah, as you can see, there's nothing down there anymore. The train's gonna be going on that. But yeah, they got a history museum over here. The Saluda History Museum. I can't talk today. And some old buildings. At one time, we had a relative that lived back up in one of those houses back up there. That was a long time ago. Here comes Gene and Charlie. Hey Charlie, what you doing? Looking for a spot? Yeah, these old brick buildings here. I always like these murals. Look at that. They've been celebrating Christmas around here, I think. Maybe.
How are you?
Pretty good. How are you? So yeah, it's pretty well fixed up around here. They had been celebrating Christmas for enough. That full-blood poodle? Is that a poodle? Or a golden doodle?
Golden.
That little one up there, my wife's got as a golden doodle, but he's a miniature.
Isn't it?
$1890 established. Thompson's Meat and Groceries. Ward's Grill and Fountain Service. They're closed. Long alleyway. And Mexican Grill. I don't think that's a historic place. River Dog Run. private driveway. I got restrooms back there. And they're still celebrating Christmas here in January. M.A. Pace Company. Look at that Coca-Cola machine. Yeah, folks, if you're young, you may not know what that's for. That's for opening your Bible. Oh, there's some real antiques there. Oops, a little more modern building for rent. Oh, look at that old refrigerator. Wow. Actually, that was an icebox. You didn't have electric hooked up to that. Yeah, I almost died in one of those when I was about 3 years old, 4 years. 4 years old, I guess. I was locked into it by one of the neighbor kids who was playing with me. He slammed the door and nearly died before they found me. Well, there you go. That's the main part. I'll walk back over here, get across the road, and maybe we can see a little more. This end. Have to wait for the traffic though. You come over here, you're going to see there's a real steep grade, and steepest grade in the U.S. at one time. Imagine that. Yeah. I probably walked on this track when I was a kid. I'm sure I did one place or another. Maybe not here, but maybe here, because I was at Saluda when I was a kid. Probably did. Don't you love those old buildings? Don't you love those old buildings? That's what I said. Saluda, North Carolina. (1955), 56, early 57. We lived in Hendersonville, North Carolina. Not far from here. And the trains ran by there, yeah, too. But no more.